Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see comment history on Instagram. Now let's get started. First, open your Instagram apps, and after this, in here you just click on the profile icon at the bottom. You can click on it, and then in here you can click on the three lights icon at the top. And after this, in here you just click on your activity, so you just click on it, and in here you can click on the interaction. Click on it, and after this, in here you can click on the comments, and after this, in here you can see the comment history on your account. So that's how to see comment history on Instagram. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.